Okay, today we are going to make a bird, a colorful bird. So, you know what we need to do this? We need colorful circles but in same size. And remind this, we need two same size, same color circles for the wings. And a big circle in black color. And let's make the bird. Also, a beak for the bird and eye. So let's begin to make the bird. First, we take this small black color circle, keep it here, and then we need the big circle for the bird's body. We need to stick this like this, and the bird needs the eye, so I'm going to help you. Yeah, thank you. And also for the bird's wings, we need to take these circles and fold it up. Can you do me a favor? Yes. Alright.
This side?
Yes, thank you. And here we're going to place the bird's eye. It should be nice like this. And for the beak, we need a triangular shape, and we're going to paste it. Like this. And now the bird needs wings.
Yes.
So first we take the green color, the same two colors for the wings, and let's stick it up. And for this, you also can help. Can you do this? Yes. Give me that too. Yes, thank you. And we can stick it on like here. First in blue. You can choose any color you like, any three colors you like. And the last one. The last. Let's take this and paste it.
Right.
So you also can try making the bird at home and send us a picture for the WhatsApp. Thank you. Bye bye.